What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be building a to-do app in Python. Here's what it looks like. It's CLI, it's simple, it's perfect for beginners, and it's useful. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to create a new file called todo.py. We're going to import OS so we can access external files on our system. We're going to set up a text file to simulate our database. Next, we're going to define a function to load tasks from our file. We're going to set up an empty list. Next, we're going to check if the file already exists. If OS path exists, file name. We're going to open that file in read-only mode with open file name R as file. We're going to set our tasks to be file.read.splitlines, which is going to split the content of our file into a list of lines, and we're going to return the list. Next, we're going to set up a function to save the tasks. We're going to open our file again, this time in write mode. We're going to loop through our tasks. We're going to write each task into our file. We're going to add a new line character. Alright, let's save this. Next, we're going to set up a function to show our tasks. Def show tasks. And first, we're going to check if the task list is empty. If not tasks, we're going to format the output a little bit. So if there are no tasks, we're going to print your to-do list is empty. Or else we're going to print out the list, print your to-do list. Now let's loop through for index task and enumerate tasks start at 1 because we don't want to start at 0. Print f string index dot task. This enumerate function is really useful when you need to add a counter to your iterables. So make sure to learn when and how to use it. Okay, let's save this. And next we're gonna set up a function to add the tasks. We're gonna get the task as an input from the user. And we're gonna append .strip to the input to remove any trailing white spaces. We're gonna check if the task is entered. And if it is, we're gonna append it to the list. We're gonna save the tasks. And we're gonna print a message. Next, we're gonna set up a function to remove the tasks. And in it, we're gonna display all the tasks first so that we know which one to remove. We're gonna run a try block. We're gonna take a task number as an input. We're gonna check if that input is a valid option, meaning if it's positive or in the range of the task list. If it is, we're gonna remove the task by running tasks pop task number -1 because the index starts at 0. We're going to save the tasks and we're going to print out the message. Else we're going to tell the user the number was invalid. Next we're going to accept the value error and we're going to ask the user to enter a valid number. Alright, let's save this, and for last but not least, we're going to define our main function. In it, we're going to load the tasks. Tasks equal load tasks. We're going to run a continuous loop while true, and here we're going to display our app's main menu. I'm going to call it TODO App. You can call it whatever you want, of course. TODO App. Just going to format this output a little bit. And now we're going to display some options. First is going to be view tasks, but we're going to need to put a number on it so that the user knows which option to pick. Next one is going to be add task. Okay, next one is going to be remove task. And the last one is going to be exit. Next, we're going to prompt the user. Input, enter your choice. Okay. 1 to 4. Alright. And now we're going to make some conditions. So if choice is 1, show tasks. Else if choice is 2, add tasks. Else if choice is 3, we're going to remove the tasks. Remove tasks. Alright. If choice is 4, we're going to print your tasks are saved. And we're going to break out of the loop. Else, we're going to say invalid choice. Please enter 1 to 4. Alright, we're almost done. We're going to say if __name __ equals __ main. We're going to run the main function. Alright, let's save this. Let's run it. And there you have it, guys. Our to-do app, fully functional. It doesn't look like much, but trust me, it works. I'm gonna leave the source code with emojis in the description. And if you guys wanna see this app with the GUI, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to deliver. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.